Assembling and installing the Onefinity CNC display mount. Inside of our box we will find our display mount arm, our locking hooks, our locking hook screws, a spring-loaded display mount body, and our display mounting screws. Here we are removing the locking hook screws from the bag. We're going to use those to attach the hooks to the top and bottom of our body of our mount. You can tell the top from the bottom based on the two mounting holes found on the bottom half of the body of the mount. This does come with instructions, but you'll want to make sure that you pay extra attention to how you attach the two hooks. The top hook should not actually align perfectly, but be flipped upside down, and the bottom hook will align perfectly with the bottom of the mounting body. With our hooks now installed, we can test our spring-loaded mount, and we can see that it's functioning as it should. Now we're ready to attach the display mount body to the display mount arm. You'll notice the display arm for this new spring-loaded mount is the same as the magnet mount. We are going to remove the magnet mount by loosening the two screws on the front of it, and we will replace it with the spring-loaded mount. Here we will use our two display body mounting screws that are left over. We'll feed those through the two bottom holes on the body of the mount, and we can attach those to the display mount arm that is already attached to our Onefinity CNC. Now we can test our display mount by installing the 10-inch screen. We can see that fits well. We'll wiggle it, and we see this works nicely with the 10-inch. Now let's try the 8-inch monitor. We'll remove our 10-inch monitor, and we will simply install the 8-inch in its place. The mount opens by pulling on the top portion of the mount body and simply releasing it to apply tension and hold the screen in place. Finally, let's try our 7-inch screen, and we can see that it's just a bit too small to fit in this mount. Now there is a solution for this. We're going to remove the screws on the top mounting hook, and we are going to flip over that mounting hook so that the point is at the bottom. What this is going to do is tighten up that space just enough to hold the 7-inch screen in place. With our locking hook flipped over, we can now place our 7-inch screen, and we see that it is secure in place. The last thing we'll want to do when setting up our display mount is adjust to fit our screen. You can see here that we can loosen these screws slightly, and that will allow us to move the mount. We can tighten that up against the top of the screen, and we are good to go.